How to hide Instagram posts from someone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to hide Instagram posts from someone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to your Instagram right here. Then from in there, just click on this profile icon on the bottom. Then click on these three lines up here. Click on settings and privacy. And then from in there, just scroll down until you find this account privacy right here under the who can see your content. So click on that and make sure to turn this on. So if this is color blue, just click on switch to private. And if this color blue, that means your account is private. So now that your account is private, those that are not your followers won't be able to see your post. Now, if there's someone that you want to block or restrict, just click on their name. Then you can see their profile. Click on these three dots right here. Then from in there, you can see the option to restrict. So click on restrict. Click on restrict account. Now, once you have restricted the account, that means that will lessen your interaction with these specific people. Means that your post won't actually head over and show up on their feed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to hide Instagram posts from someone 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the question below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.